This video shows how to install both the joiner and surround kits for Fisher & Paykel refrigerators. Please refer to the detailed instructions provided with these kits for further information. 2 installers will be required for joiner kit installations. There are 8 different surround kits depending on the particular models and combinations. Ensure all parts are present in the kit you're using before beginning. There is only one joiner kit, 819264, for all current models. Be sure to locate all joiner kit parts before beginning as well. Measure the cavity for the appropriate dimensions for the kit you're using. Remove the compressor covers from both refrigerators. Using the supplied screws, attach the rear bracket to the right-hand refrigerator, as seen from behind, being careful to line up the top edge of the bracket with the bottom of the white back panel, as seen here. Now push the other refrigerator into position, but do not fasten with the screws at this point. Access the adjustable feet in the front and ensure both refrigerators are level and that the doors of both line up with each other. Now remove the screw hole covers on the top of both refrigerators, as seen here. Place the upper front bracket on the top surface of the 2 cabinets and fasten with the 3 screws on both sides, leaving the center screw hole empty at this time. Now attach the rear bracket to the left-hand refrigerator, as seen here. Replace the compressor covers on both refrigerators. Using another person, carefully tilt the refrigerator backwards approximately 60 degrees to access the adjustable feet in the front. Be careful not to damage cabinets and flooring. Remove the adjustable feet by screwing them counterclockwise. Unscrew the bolts using a 3/4 or 19 mm socket. Place the lower front bracket on the underside of both refrigerators as seen here, making sure the 2 small tabs go into the slots at the bottom. Replace the bolts and adjustable feet. Open the refrigerator doors and loosen the screws on the upper front bracket so that the bracket can freely move up approximately 1/8 inch or 5 mm. Slide the extrusion cover into the extrusion support as seen here. Now place the trim assembly on the upright tab of the lower bracket and beneath the upper bracket, like this. Tighten the 6 bracket screws again and fasten the trim assembly with the center screw. For side-by-side refrigerator installations, find the exact center of the top of the cabinet opening and mark it. Place a top trim bracket to the right of your mark and secure it with 2 of the supplied screws. Be sure the front edge of the bracket is flush with the cabinetry. For both single and double refrigerator installations, fasten top trim brackets to the top of both sides using 2 screws from the side as seen here. Again, make sure the front edge of the bracket is flush with the front of the cabinetry. Measure the side of the opening and make markings to evenly space the 5 side brackets on each side. The right-angled side brackets will go on the top and bottom, with the 3 smaller and straight brackets in between. Secure the right-angled bracket to the top with 2 screws. The next 3 brackets should be the small, straight center brackets. Again, use 2 screws on each bracket and make sure the front edge of the bracket is flush with the front of the cabinetry. Use another right-angled side bracket for the bottom of each side. Repeat these steps on the other side. Measure back from the front bottom edge 27 inches or 680 millimeters and 6 inches 150 millimeters from the side wall on both sides and mark it. Install the supplied floor stops in both marked locations. Remove the protective coating from the trim pieces. Install the top trim piece first. Make sure the locator tabs lock into their proper positions on the back of the top trim piece. Next, install the 2 side trim pieces as seen here. Ensure water lines and electrical connections are made before moving the refrigerators back into position. Move the joined refrigerators back into position, being careful not to damage the cabinets or flooring. Slightly tilt the refrigerators back while sliding the bottom trim piece into position, if applicable, then carefully lower the refrigerators back down. You have now successfully installed the Fisher & Paykel joiner and surround kits.